Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can use PayPal without credit card or debit card. Now a lot of people want to use PayPal but they don't want to add a card or a bank account. If that's you, this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you guys a few different solutions that you can do so that you can start paying with PayPal without a credit card. Now if you have created a PayPal account and your balance is zero, as you can see, I just created this account just for today's video. What you guys need is, for example, if you live in United States, this process is much easier for you compared to other countries. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys every single thing. Even if you live outside of the US, I'm going to show you guys how you can use PayPal without credit card. Now for people who live in the US, the first option, guys, is to just buy PayPal gift cards, and you can buy this PayPal gift card in stores like Walmart. As you can see here, online retailers. You can buy this gift card and you can add it to your PayPal, and then the balance is going to go to your PayPal balance automatically. Okay, like you can keep that gift card in your PayPal balance, and then you will be able to use your PayPal balance on different websites like Amazon. I'm sorry, you cannot use PayPal on Amazon, unfortunately, but you can use PayPal, for example, on AliExpress or any other e-commerce websites. Okay, so, but for example, if you live in another country, it's going to be a little bit harder because there are a lot of opportunities in the United States compared to other countries. Now, for me, what I do, guys, is just click on where it says here, my email address. I just search for my email address, and then I send this email address to my friend, and then I told him, hi, can you send me some money to my PayPal? I will pay you cash money, and then you send me PayPal money so that I can use that PayPal money to purchase goods or services online. Now that's what I think is a solution for a lot of people. Okay, or you can just click on send in the top right, and then you can click on request money, and you can enter an email so that you can request money from that person. Okay, the owner of that email, you can request money, and then they will be able to send you money if they are like your friends or your family. If this sends your money to your PayPal, then you will find the balance here and you can use it. Okay, you can pay using this. Now, if you have a card, for example, and you have balance, but you don't want to use the card balance or bank account balance, you can always click on wallet here, and then you want to scroll down and click where it says preferred when paying online. Click on change, and then you can just select PayPal balance only, and then click confirm, and they are only going to use your PayPal balance as your preferred way to pay online. Okay, now this is just one of the solutions, guys. If you know, guys, another better way, I would highly appreciate if you can leave it in the comments so that others will be able, guys, to do the same thing, because a lot of people want to find a way to pay with PayPal without a credit card. Some people, they don't have a credit card. So like I said, okay, if you live in the United States, you can always buy a gift card, PayPal gift card in stores like Walmart, in a store near you, and then you can start using that card. Now for people who don't live in the United States, they can just receive money from someone online or their friend, then they can send them, for example, local money from bank accounts to their bank account, and then you can receive PayPal money. So I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.